Hi, thanks for watching my YouTube video. I'm Matt Wilburn. Today we're going to be talking about how to connect PEX pipes together. In this video we got two different kinds of PEX. Right here we're working with Uponor PEX, the type of PEX that expands to fit on the Uponor pipe, or the Crimp Pex, also known as its name, the Viega PEX, if I'm pronouncing that right. And it connects its, own fittings and own pipe with its own tools. So first we'll start by slipping the ring over this Uponor pipe. PEX pipes all work sort of the same way. They got these rings here. We'll slip that on there, and then the pipe expands with this tool. And so we'll just do that. Now this is 3/4 inch pipe, so we're going to use a 3/4 inch fitting. That's good. Now this is slowly forming back to its original size there. So I'll stick that fitting on there, and it dead ends there at those little ears. And that fitting's good. That's not going to pull apart. And here's the 1/2 inch. I'll set those aside. So that's the Uponor expander type pipe. Now we'll go over here, and we got this here, this Crimp Viega style pipe. This is 3/4 as well. So I'll basically do the same thing. Slide the ring on, except this one doesn't get expanded, it gets crimped. So we slide the ring on, we put our fitting in, this 3/4 inch fitting. And what I like to do, little pro tip, is so this ring doesn't slide around when I crimp it, what I do is I just keep it about 1/8 inch away from the edge there. I'll give it a little squeeze with my pliers, just so it doesn't move. And then we're ready to crimp. So we just open these babies up, slide them right on there, let it fall into place, and give it a good squeeze. And that's on there. It's crimp, ain't going anywhere. So that's the Crimp style PEX. You can see there's some differences with the different size of the fittings. Basically the pipe's the same size pretty much, but the one that expands has a bigger fitting there, and the one that crimps sort of has the smaller fitting that goes into it. Same with the 1/2 inch. The Uponor has a little bit bigger fittings as opposed to the Crimp Viega PEX, a little bit smaller fittings. And it's all preference, what you want to use. I don't have a preference myself, but that's how you connect those pipes. That's all there is to it. Thanks for watching my video. Hope you learned something.
Note to self, choose C8 cables, not C7s. How to make a mess in your plumbing office.